Alright guys, today I'm doing a review. This is the So Delicious Dairy-Free Coconut Almond, and this was on sale. People always ask me for different options they can have, so this is dairy-free. Check this out. This is the ingredients that they use is a coconut base, and then they use some cane sugar, so it does have the sugar, so be aware of that. And let's see what here. Here's the back here. So 12 grams of sugar per bar. And this one is not, I believe it's not gluten free. So. If you guys want to read this, pause it. Alright, let's open this up. The taste test is the most important. See if it actually tastes any. Oh, it actually, check this out here. This one is gluten free, non-GMO, and vegan. I think. Yep, vegan. Alright. It's hard to look through the camera there. Alright, open this up. That's what it looks like. It's like one of those little dippy bars. Okay, so the aroma of the coconut really comes through. The chocolate is it's actually not as bad as the other one that I've reviewed, the salted caramel. That one has a slightly bitter taste. This one actually doesn't have it. Maybe it's masked by the almonds, and so you get more of the chocolate taste. The almond flavor does come through, secondary, but the nuts in there, the almonds are actually pretty good. Other than that, it's not bad. You wouldn't notice it wasn't dairy. So if you have any questions, comments, guys, post below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.